Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with PayPal Zettle POS. Review my usage experience. PayPal Zettle POS Review My Usage Experience offers a point-of-sale POS system designed for small businesses and entrepreneurs. It integrates payment processing through PayPal, allowing for easy card and mobile payments. Key features include inventory management, sales reporting, and customer relationship management (CRM) tools. Their website provides details on pricing plans and features. Zettle emphasizes ease of use and transparent pricing, claiming no hidden fees and flexible monthly plans. They highlight their integration with PayPal as a key benefit, simplifying payment processing and reconciliation. Availability is widespread, and their website allows you to check if it's available in your region. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using PayPal Zettle POS. Review my usage experience. Setting up the system was a breeze. The initial onboarding process was straightforward, guiding me through each step with clear instructions. The interface itself is very intuitive. I particularly appreciated the ability to quickly process sales, even with multiple items. The inventory management feature was also incredibly helpful. Tracking stock levels was much simpler than using a spreadsheet. The system performed flawlessly during peak hours, processing transactions quickly and reliably. I had a quick question about a specific report, and their support responded within 24 hours via email, providing a helpful explanation. One minor drawback was the learning curve associated with the advanced reporting features. It took me a little while to get used to customizing the reports to my exact specifications. However, the basic reporting is sufficient for daily use. The standout feature for me was definitely the seamless integration with PayPal. Receiving payments and managing finances became significantly easier. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with PayPal Zettle. It streamlined my business operations and improved my efficiency. That's my overview of PayPal Zettle POS. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.